What is going on, everybody? Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is John. Today I have for you a big box good. That's right, today we're going to be taking a look at the premium LED Bluetooth speaker in black by Blackweb. I picked up at Walmart for $49.88. Out of 38 customer reviews, it gets 4.5 out of 5 stars. Today we're going to be doing a little bit of an unboxing and a sound impressions of this portable Bluetooth speaker. It does come with up to 10 hours of playtime. It has a 2000 milliamp hour lithium ion battery. It has dual 10-watt drivers for superior stereo sound. The customizable LED indicator light on the front of the speaker. Not quite sure if that implies that there's an app that comes in the box with this speaker, but that's why we do an unboxing and a first impression, so we can figure these things out. At any rate, I think I'm actually going to give this little speaker to my dad for his birthday, which is tomorrow. He has a tiny Bluetooth speaker already, but this one will be far superior, so I think he'll enjoy it. It'll be really nice. He can take it to the pool. He can use it in the garage for when he cooks out on the weekends and when the other Bluetooth speaker really isn't cutting it. So we'll bring in the handy dandy scissors here. We'll go and rotate the box off to the side there, make a little cut into that. Just remove this little tab on the back there. Lift up this flap, open this flap, and voila, we are greeted with a really nice Blackweb envelope on the top of the box here. So if we actually see that, it does say Blackweb. If we go ahead and open up the envelope here, we do get a USB to micro USB charging cable, which is really nice. We get a Blackweb user guide. And last but not least, it looks like we get a quick word before the bass kicks in card. Have fun hitting play on your Bluetooth sync device and turning your new speaker up. Let's go ahead and flip the box over, pull our speaker out, and as you can see, here she is. Really nice weight to it. The LED light does wrap around the front of the speaker, you can tell. If we go ahead and take a look at the top of the speaker here, we get a power button, so we'll go ahead and hold it down and turn it on. We get a minus button to turn the volume down. We get a play pause button on the top of the LED Bluetooth speaker. I don't know if you guys can see this or not, but the LED indicator light is illuminated. We get a plus sign and we get an LED light button. So I clicked it and it does change the color of the light from, that looked like strobe, to solid maybe, to blue. Yeah, we're gonna have to go ahead and play around with this thing for a little bit. Let's go ahead and get it paired up and see what she sounds like. So what is really nice is as soon as you turn the speaker on, it does beam out a Bluetooth signal. So all you have to do is go into your settings, go to Bluetooth, scroll to the very bottom of your Bluetooth settings, and it should come up at the very bottom for you to connect. As you just heard, I did connect this device to my phone. So now we're gonna go ahead and do a sound impressions. Okay, so I've got some royalty-free music here. Not the best sounding music, but this is how you'll get an idea of what the speaker sounds like. That was turning the volume all the way down. Let's go ahead and turn the volume all the way up. Okay, so thoroughly impressed with this little mighty Bluetooth speaker. Everything sounds great. The trebles sound great. The mid-range sounds great. The bass thumps, as you can probably tell. That was a great song to test out the bass, by the way. And also, if you were curious, I'm actually using this on a flat EQ setting. So that should give you a pretty good indicator of how powerful this speaker is. It should give you a pretty good indicator of the sound profile that I'm using. Now, I could have gone and turned the bass booster on, but then I fear it may have drowned out the music just a little bit. So I did not do that. So I just kept it to flat. So it's really nice as I am looking at the user manual here, and it does say it is IPX4 splash proof. And this is probably the most comprehensive summary for IPX4 I've ever read. Unfortunately, I'm looking through this user manual here, and I cannot find an app that goes with the speaker itself, so there is no proprietary application to use. You will have to control the LED indicator light from the top of the speaker itself. It's just something that usually comes with speakers modern day in 2020. Not really a big deal that this doesn't come with an application. What's also really nice is you can daisy chain this speaker up to 2 speakers, I believe. So if you do want to go ahead and pick up another Blackweb speaker, there is a cheaper speaker, like a $30 one. And I think there's even one cheaper than that, like one that's handheld that you can maybe like take with you on a bike ride or something like that. But for now, I really love this speaker. The controls are very intuitive and well laid out. Maybe at this price point, and maybe just in terms of functionality, I would like for this speaker to have gotten a better IP certification rating, maybe IPX7 at the least. Anyways, guys, this Blackweb portable Bluetooth premium LED speaker is a big box good because I picked it up at Walmart. It was $49.88. You can too for $49.88, pretty much anywhere across the country. It came out to about 50 bucks or so. Guys, as it concerns coronavirus, if you want me to review items maybe because you're skeptical of going out and doing some shopping, let me know and I will review some items for you. Like I was saying earlier in the video, keep it to things that I can order online just so I can stay safe too. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed that unboxing and first look at this portable Bluetooth premium LED speaker. A bit of a mouthful. My name is John. Hit that like, subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you so much for tuning in. I will see you in the next one.